7 surprising reasons why top psychologists say affairs can be healthy. According to a surprising and groundbreaking 2023 study from the Department of Psychology at Johns Hopkins University, having an affair is actually linked to primary relationship satisfaction and well-being. Can having an affair actually benefit your relationship? Yes, you heard that correctly. Before we delve deeper, let me clarify. I don't condone affairs for reasons I'll detail later in this video. However, a fascinating recent study caught my eye, and I'm eager to explore its insights with you. With 7 surprising reasons why top psychologists say affairs can actually be healthy for our existing relationships. Welcome to Couch Psychology, Love and Life Explained, where we delve deep into the intricacies of human relationships and the psychology that underpins them. Today, we're exploring a provocative topic, the notion of having an affair. Now, before you jump to conclusions, this isn't about promoting deceit or undermining the sanctity of committed relationships. Instead, we're taking a groundbreaking look at recent psychological research that sheds light on the complex reasons people engage in affairs and the unexpected positive outcomes they sometimes lead to. This exploration aims to understand the nuanced, often misunderstood aspects of human connection and emotional fulfillment. So whether you're here out of curiosity, seeking understanding, or navigating your own path through the complexities of love and life, let's embark on this intriguing journey together, challenging our perceptions and discovering new perspectives on what it means to seek fulfillment and happiness. So let's start with number 1, emotional exploration. Engaging in an affair can sometimes reflect a deep-seated need for emotional exploration. Individuals may seek out connections that provide them with the emotional nourishment missing in their primary relationship. Applying this in real life means recognizing and addressing unmet emotional needs, whether through open communication with a partner or personal reflection, aiming for a deeper understanding of oneself and fostering emotional growth. And number 2, self-discovery. Affairs can act as a catalyst for self-discovery, revealing unacknowledged desires or aspects of one's own identity. This doesn't justify hurting others, but highlights the importance of self-awareness in personal development. In practice, this involves actively seeking to understand your own needs and desires, engaging in activities that foster personal growth, and finding constructive ways to express your newfound self within or outside of your primary relationship. Number 3, enhanced communication. Surprisingly, some find that the experience of having an affair leads to enhanced communication in their primary relationship. This is not a direct recommendation to have an affair, but an observation that crises sometimes catalyze better honesty and openness. To apply this, focus on improving communication skills, express your needs and feelings more openly, encourage your partner to do the same, aiming for a more authentic and fulfilling connection. And number 4, revitalizing self-esteem. For some, the attention and desire experienced in an affair can significantly boost self-esteem. While seeking validation externally is not a long-term solution, this underscores the importance of feeling valued. Real-world application involves finding ways to build your self-esteem independently of others, engaging in activities that make you feel competent and valued, and bringing this renewed sense of self-confidence back into your primary relationship. Number 5, understanding non-monogamy. Engaging in an affair can open individuals' eyes to the concept of non-monogamy. challenging traditional notions of love and partnership. This doesn't mean everyone should pursue non-monogamy, but rather consider what relationship structure really does suit them. Applying this means researching and reflecting on different relationship models, discussing these openly with partners, and considering consensual non-monogamous arrangements only if they align with everyone's needs and values. Number 6, reigniting passion. For some, an affair can reignite passion, not just in the new relationship, but paradoxically within the primary relationship as well. This phenomenon suggests that the issue might not be with the partner, but with a routine. In practice, look for ways to introduce novelty and excitement into your relationship. Plan unexpected dates, explore new interests together, and keep the element of surprise and excitement alive. Number 7, crisis as an opportunity. Finally, the aftermath of an affair can sometimes serve as a crucial wake-up call, presenting a crisis that becomes an opportunity for growth and change in the primary relationship. While painful, it forces a reckoning with unresolved issues. Practically, this means using relationship challenges as catalysts for deep introspection, seeking professional help if needed, and committing to tangible changes that foster a healthier and more satisfying relationship. Look, in closing, while today's discussion ventured into the complex psychological underpinnings of affairs and their unexpected outcomes, it's crucial to circle back to the core truth. The act of having an affair is inherently destructive. The study itself is based on the experiences of Ashley Madison users, so it's a bit tongue-in-cheek to consider insights on moral compasses from a cohort navigating the choppy waters of infidelity. While the findings offer a fascinating glimpse into the human psyche and the myriad of ways people seek connection, it's a gentle reminder that perhaps those seeking affairs might not be the North Star of moral guidance. The breach of trust, the emotional turmoil, and the potential devastation to your primary relationship are profound. Trust, once broken, is incredibly hard to rebuild. Affairs can leave lasting scars, not just on the relationships they directly impact, but also on the individuals involved, affecting their ability to trust and be open in future relationships. The secrecy and deceit undermine the very foundation of honesty and transparency that healthy relationships are built upon. Moreover, the fallout often extends beyond the couple, affecting families and their friendships. While it's important to understand the psychological aspects that lead people to consider affairs, it's equally important to seek constructive ways to address relationship issues, communicate needs, and explore desires within the boundaries of trust and respect. Remember, the pursuit of happiness and fulfillment should never be at the expense of another's pain. So we should let this discussion serve as a catalyst for introspection and growth, pushing us towards a healthier, more fulfilling way of connecting and resolving the challenges within our relationship. Don't have an affair, but please do like, comment, subscribe, and perhaps share this video with someone who might find it useful.